see the moisture? I'm gonna, but that's all I put in there, y'all. And when you ain't touched stuff in a while, it's good to do that before you open it, y'all. The blower, there might be some wiggle room in it. My battery is turning over. Time to be bullshitting with it. Little solenoid under here. Attempted to start it. It turned over for me. It didn't start, so I took some starting fluid. It started. I took it off choke, and it choked. I'm thinking my carburetor is clogged. Oh, y'all see that? I got a solenoid right here. So I might have to take this off to access one hand, just because things is not the way you want it now. Doesn't mean you can't improvise to achieve the shit you want, kids. Oh, come on. Oh, you motherfucker. Okay. Y'all seen it. I got blood, sweat, tears in this one. Y'all witnessed it. I'll probably need to go clean that up. So where did I put it? Y'all? Who was watching? Who was watching? Hey, Mark. Bubba lost his dog. I ain't gonna grab him. That's what he said. Does he have teeth? Oh, snap. Hey, Bubba. I finally got it off. There you go. So this one is designed with a space here, but that don't really work. So I had to bend it to get it away from holding me back, because I didn't want to take that screw out. And I finally got it off. Sorry about missing out on a part of the process. So this one goes this way and that one goes that way. Okay, first and foremost, you get turned. Yeah, so excuse me while and that's the thing, wearing these okay, so that's why I had that problem. Okay. Oh boy. Remember, y'all, that's the one I cut my finger on. Oh, that's the one I cut my finger on. And so, I'll be out here sometimes talking to myself. I hope nobody don't think I'm crazy. What you think and what I know is two different things. I hope so. I hope y'all watching it. Y'all been following me, so. And please yell at me in the comments. Be like, no, fool, don't start it. Because by then it'll be already started. I ain't got nothing better to do. So, I'm doing what I got to do. Okay, and I got to put this back together. See how that is hard now? Come up with it. Now there's a lip that prevents this one from going down. So what I did was I braced it out and pushed it down over it just to give me enough room. This plastic, you can't hit it too hard. By George, I think I got it. Sorry, y'all. Need to be professional. Wife is gonna wring my damn neck, I'll tell you that. She was trying to get me in for hours now, but I got shit I gotta do. This thing just gonna come and do itself. Okay, so where's the hole? Come on, man, I ain't got time to be playing with you. Yeah, y'all, just be determined. I've been out here all day. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm exhausted. But guess what? The winner never quit and the quitter never wins, people. So no matter how hard it seems, you put a little muscle to the grass, so keep pushing. Believe in your damn self. Believe in yourself. To take this one off. And this is where you mount your hood scoop that goes over. But I have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. I took them out. I was able to bend this and push it down a little bit so that your solenoid, there's a solenoid that sits directly beneath your carburetor, and they have somewhat spacing here designed for that. The machine must have cut it in the wrong damn spot because my solenoid, I don't know if you can see it, the space is here. There's a notch taken out here. My solenoid with these two nuts lined up right here, so there's no way you're gonna get it there. And going forward on this one doesn't necessarily work. Clean your stuff up, y'all. Clean your stuff up. It works. Had to charge the battery, had to clean my carburetor. I took, I don't know if I got it, yeah, sandpaper against my coil. I don't know if I recorded that either, damn. But I just used sandpaper and clean my coils up, the rust off of it, so that I'm getting great spark. I'm finna go get some great shade in a shower and something to eat. And I ain't posted videos in a good while. I got a bunch of videos that I've been making. I don't know what's gonna go up first, but I might as well put them in line the way I make them. But I've been doing stuff, so I haven't been inside sitting at the computer making music. No, none of that. You see what I'm out here doing, and once I put my video up, you'll see what I'm out here doing. Love y'all. Stay motivated. Do something with yourself. Invest in you. I know you got a job. I know you got kids. I know you got responsibility. There's a lot going on. There's something that make you spark, that is gonna bring life and light into probably your darkness. Shine. Get it in. A couple hours. I ain't even gonna ask for a couple hours, because a lot of people don't have a couple of hours in their day. 15 minutes a day. 15 minutes a day, just investing in you. Not what the job wants you to do, not what the kids want you to do. None of that, just in you. Stuff that makes you happy. Love y'all. Love y'all. Love y'all. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day. I made it. I made it. Damn it, I made it.